Alright, I thought I would do a bike check today on my Fit Brian Foster 1, 2012. Yeah, well, I guess I'll start with the front. Alright, well, running wheel-wise, I'm running Alienation Deviant. Well, it's upside down, but Alienation Deviant 48 spoke wheel set. I think it's the stock hub, and then I have Shadow Conspiracy Voltus forks. They're like 180 off a dance comp. I'm running Brian Foster 1 signature bars. I think they're 28 wide, 7.5 rise, something like that. Running stolen loot grips. I like a little thin grips. Gets the job done. And then running the stock Brian Foster 1 frame. Having it for about a year. It's perfect condition, no cracks, no dents. It's all good. Then running stolen Thermalite pedals. They're lasting. I have Odyssey clear pedals over there, but I don't use them. I have running the stock Brian Foster 1 cranks. They just have a bump in them. I have to get a new bottom bracket. Stock 25 tooth sprocket. I think I'm not gonna get a new one. This one's pretty thick. It endures. Yeah, but then running Shadow Conspiracy seat clamp, Shadow Conspiracy seat post. Well, it's pink. I gotta get a new one. I got the Shadow Conspiracy. I think it's Bone Death. Shadow Conspiracy Bone Death seat. Running the full link chain, Sunshine or KMC, one of the two. I don't know. My dad got it for me. And then tires I like riding a thicker tire. Running Shadow Conspiracy Undertaker tires, 110 psi, 20 by 2.25 on both. And then back rim, I think I'm running, it's a Alienation 7-up rim, laced to a stock Alienation hub. Yeah. It's my Brian Foster 1. Oh yeah, stem. It's stock. It don't look like it should be stock because of the color was. But, yep. It's the bike.